Oh no! We don't have a drummer.
No problem. We can make one in Scratch. We can choose different instruments from the sound library. Let's add drums, guitar, and piano. We use the play sound block to make each instrument play at the right time. Now, we add a wait block to make sure they don't play all at once.
Hello, kids! This is your Captain AHS. Imagine a world where a few clicks can make drums play, guitars strum, and pianos sing. Let's dive into Scratch and become music makers. From hip-hop to rock, you can program your own songs and even make a dancing DJ. Let's explore how to make music using Scratch.
Mina, do you want to make music using Scratch? Make music? Like a piano? Yes! But with Scratch, we can make our own tunes using blocks. Look, let's open Scratch. First, we pick a sound block. Let's use play sound meow until done just for fun. A cat sound? That's funny! Can we change it? Of course. Click here to choose a new sound. Wow! It plays music! Now, we can also make a drum beat by adding the play drum block and click a green flag to run it. This is so cool! Oh no! We don't have a drummer.
No problem. We can make one in Scratch. We can choose different instruments from the sound library. Let's add drums, guitar, and piano. We use the play sound block to make each instrument play at the right time. Now, we add a wait block to make sure they don't play all at once. Let's use a forever block so the music keeps playing.
This sounds so cool. Can we add a dancing sprite too?
Yes, we can make a sprite change costumes in time with the music.
What do we do now? No music, no party.
Wait. We can make a DJ Scratch project and save the night. We add 3 different buttons on the screen: hip-hop, rock, and pop. Each button plays a different music loop when clicked. Pressing A plays drums, S plays guitar, and D plays piano. We use the when key pressed block to make it interactive. We program a sprite to change colors and dance with the music. We use a change color effect block to make the DJ booth light up.
Wow! This looks amazing!
Now it's time for the quiz. What tool in Scratch do Mina and Saru use in Scratch to create the sound? Option A, Paint Tool. Option B, Motion Blocks. Option C, Music Tools. Option C, Music Tool. What does we use to make the Scratch Cat dance to music? Option A, Sound Effects. Option B, Motion Blocks. Option C, Costume Change. Option B, Motion Blocks. What block in Scratch can you use to play different musical notes? Option A, Play Note. Option B, Play Sound. Option C, Set Instrument. Option A, Play Note. What Scratch feature allows you to repeat a section of your song multiple times? Option A, Play Sound. Option B, Loop. Option C, Change Tempo. Option B, Loop. In Scratch, how can you change the speed of your music? Option A, using the Set Instrument block. Option B, using the Set Background block. Option C, by using the Change Tempo block. Option C, by using the Change Tempo block. Great job making music! Next, we'll take it a step further by recording sounds and using them in our Scratch projects. Let's get ready to mix things up! Don't miss out on more free, interactive lessons. Hit subscribe and join us on the journey to education without boundaries.